going to talk about 7 steps to successfully do some fabric sorting. Hello and welcome. I am Jacque with Jacque Russell Creates, where we talk about everything quilting, sewing, and embroidering. I give tips, tricks, and techniques so you can conquer that next quilting project. So do you have a stash that needs to decluttered or sorted through? You got tons of fabric that you don't know if you'll use or not? Hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. And let me give you some tips and tricks and some techniques on how to successfully sort that fabric. Tip number 1, schedule it. Put your fabric sorting session on your calendar. Block off at least 30 minutes, just so you have enough time to give yourself so you can make a reasonable progress in the sorting steps. Also, set boundaries with your family. Make sure that they know this is your time with no interruptions so you can get this task done. Then you can have more time to be with them. Number 2, get in the right headspace. If you find sorting fabric stressful and emotional, play some music or listen to an audiobook as you work. Keep a candle lit. Give yourself a break with your favorite snack. If it helps, invite a friend over for some support. Approaching this decluttering process with a positive mindset will let you remain open to where it leads and will keep this experience from draining you. Step number 3, be prepared to manage fabric sorting. Make sure you have boxes or bags or other things available to sort pieces and a permanent marker to label. Scissors may also come in handy. You don't want to have to go looking for these in the middle of your sorting. So make sure you have them prepared ahead of time. Step number 4, work in an orderly fashion. If you jump from area to area, from tote, bin to bin, you'll lose track of what you've been doing and what's been done and what hasn't been done. Consider working clockwise and from top to bottom of your room or your shelves. Work shelf by shelf, drawer by drawer. If you have to break for a day or two, make a note where you're leaving off so you can start there when you come back. Step number 5, touch once, decide once. When sorting fabric, you have to decide to keep it or to get rid of it. So let the main activity of sorting should be picking up or touching a piece of fabric and asking yourself, should I keep this? If you instantly know it needs to stay or go with your gut and put it in the appropriate pile. There is no need to analyze. If you don't quickly know whether or not to get rid of it, place it in a maybe pile and keep on moving. Save the last 5 or 10 minutes of your session to deal with those maybes. And be sure to ask yourself those tough questions that I asked in this video right up here. that's coming on screen now. They may be able to help you make that decision if you really want to keep it or let it go. Step number 6, make it pretty. Now that you've decided what you want to keep, you can reclaim your space. Wouldn't that be wonderful? This is the rewarding part, right? Because you can actually see a difference that your sorting has made. Makes you feel accomplished, don't it? Before putting the fabric away, though, take the opportunity to give it a deep cleaning. Refold the fabric and neatly store the pieces as you desire. And don't be afraid of having empty spaces. It offers the room to grow your fabric in your future finds. Because we all know we're going to continue to buy fabric, whether we need it or not. Step number 7, last but not least, get it out. Now it's time to find homes for that fabric that you no longer desire and want to keep. The longer you have that pile of fabric in your house, the more tempted you're going to be. And then you're going to pull out pieces from that pile and return them into your sewing space. We don't want that. If you have larger yardage pieces of fabric or pre-cut bundles, you can consider selling them. If you go to quilt retreats or to quilt guild gatherings, take the fabrics with you for the free or trade table so your fellow quilters can enjoy them. And if you want fabric to go toward charity projects or a teaching purpose, search for a list of places to donate. So I hope this exercise has given you the desire to go into your sewing space and declutter and sort through that fabric and find what you want to keep and donate the rest. By following these simple steps, you'll be through it before long and be able to start creating again and hopefully bring that creativity back so you want to get back into your sewing room and create. Do you sort through your fabric yearly? Every couple months? Comment below and let us know how you sort through your fabric and destash items that you no longer use, desire to quilt with. So I am hosting a sweepstake giveaway for about 6 months, and you have your chance to win 6 creative quilting boxes, which will be full of lots of goodies to help you get that creative back. There will be a link in the description below for you to go and sign up for your chance to win. If you have quilting friends, be sure to share with your link and get extra bonus points into getting into the box. Until then, happy quilting, my friends.